Oh, you gotta go deeper into the song for that. Yeah.
Yeah, catfish did that. He got me pretty good that day. And I didn't even get him in. Yeah, he broke off right when he got close to me.
I got 65-pound line on my catfish poles.
This is yeah, this is 65 pound. I know. This is 40-pound test line, I think.
Yeah. And rockfish, the bigger the better, the way I look at it.
Yeah. I haven't caught any kind of fish over 15 pounds here in Tennessee.
I was standing over there before that sycamore tree got down the way it is now.
Yeah.
Lowered the branches. I was standing over there and I caught that one 47 pounds. She ran down to them big trees down there. I pulled her back. She ran again down there and I pulled her back and she just turned up on her side.
Wow.
I couldn't do nothing with her.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try right there in that swift water for a minute, then see if I can put one on the other side over there, stand up there. There's gotta be one laying there somewhere.
Yeah. We out here fishing on the fishing at the Roaring River Dam today. I'm gonna hopefully see if I can't hook into something nice. Take that motherfucker, pussy. Don't be scared of it. Take it, ho. I think it's small. I think he's small. Oh, don't do that.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Are you recording, bitch? Yeah, you're recording. I didn't mean to call you a bitch.
Malfunction.
Oh yeah, he's nice. He's nice. Please don't lose.
Please be a catfish. That's what I'm hoping, man.
Oh. Relax, Vato. Maybe I might cook you. I might cook you if you're a decent size. Oh, he's nice, bro. Oh, whoa, what the fuck is that? Is that a bass? Oh, it's a drum.
I don't see it. Oh, I don't see it. Yep, sure is. It's like that one I caught yesterday, man. Short.
Yeah, look at that. We on the board, baby.
Man,
It was that hook, bro. I'm telling you, it was the.
Good luck charm, man.
It was that fucking hook, dog. Hey, wait.
Swallow it.
Yeah, he swallowed it. I don't give a fuck. He's mine. I ain't letting him go. That's a nice little fillet right there. Uy. Vente, cabrón. Yo.
Oh, no. I mean, I've caught.
Oh, damn.
Actually, maybe down there in the spot when we hit that guy.
Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna go trim the camera. Yeah. He's going home. He's going home, for sure. I knew that's what it was. Man, I bet y'all would have had a bunch of fish by now. Them bitches were thumping that shit over there, like hitting that boom, wham, wham.
Yes,
Hey,
it
I'm gonna
does.
keep. Can I use your thing to keep him alive? I got your thing in my car.
Yeah, dude. You can use anything. If I've left it in the car, I don't care.
Well, we on the board. Let's see.
Dude, I put him in the freezer, the one I had. I swear to you, I went back in there like 40 minutes later and he was still breathing. You could feel his gills and shit.
I want to try to keep him alive. Yeah, he's on. Oh yeah, bro. He's on. Hey, go get that. Go get that net, bro. Shit. Stay out my other lines, nigga. Maybe he might not be that big, but then again, he might be big. He feels a little
I
bit.
got the net, motherfucker. I'm netting them now. Another drum? Yeah, that's a big one, bro. That's pretty good size.
Yeah, net him, bro. This line's not good. Yeah.
That's
Oh,
a fucking
man.
play right there now.
Yeah, we got that. Mm-hmm. Here, I got it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is cool.
I'm not sure where the hook is, but that's a big one, bro. That's a good one.
Look at that, guys. Holy shit. All right.
Not one I was on line.
He's going in the keeper box.
Basket.
It's a nice fish,
Yeah,
Doc.
yeah, it is, man.
It's not really green.
That rainbow hook is.
I gotta see if I can get that hook out of him.
Man,
Got
this
you a
right here is
friend.
doing something.
He didn't even get hooked bad. Let me get them pliers over there, Cracker. He didn't even get hooked bad. I can see the hook right here. Look at it. It's right there.
Oh, yeah. Fucking A, man. Yeah, that's two. Two good ones, man. That other one was
Yeah.
small. I mean, the one I caught was in between that one and the big one there.
Oh, just go in, right?
And I froze him. Just cut him out and then or something. I never ate drum before. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, they are.
Honestly, I don't think I've ever ate any
Egg.
fish that I didn't like. Yeah, it's good. It was worthy of a net. You know?
All right. Well, I didn't have my camera on for this one, but nice little bass. Nice little bass right there. See you later, guy. Damn it. Oh shit, I had another one. Well, guys, another little good day of fishing. Just fishing here at the Roaring River Dam. Whoa. And caught me some drum. Also got me a snake that I'm gonna go home and see it, look it up, and see if I can eat that motherfucker. And if I can eat it, I'm gonna eat it. Been out here since about 9 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. Got a couple bites on some other things, but I don't know what they were. So, yeah. I'll link up with y'all later.
Sail away, used to blow, used to sail away. Don't know how I lost it. Those things I ain't forgot. Let me recollect my thoughts. Got regrets I can't forget.